This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep.
Hey, welcome back to the Trailer Hood. You know what I like about rainy days? Yeah, pretty much nothing, but it's raining hard here. Last time it rained this hard, I think Noah built a boat, but that's not going to keep us from doing what we have to do, and we have drawn the name for the contest. That's right, we have a winner in our contest to give away a $50 gift card to either Lowe's, Home Depot, or Harbor Freight. And the winner is... I'm not going to tell you. No, not until Friday. That's when we're going to do this, okay? We still got a few days left. I want to keep you in suspense, and I'll stay in suspenders, and we're going to do that Friday. But I got to cut this video all together and give you your money's worth, right? After all, this didn't cost you anything, so don't have real high expectations, okay? But we'll see you Friday, and we'll have a winner for the contest, and maybe some other stuff as well. So we'll see you then. I am the OG, and I'm out.